So here we are. In this class, you will learn about 12 tools to instantly start creating stunning Instagram posts. Let's get right to it. First is the Pixabay app. This is the app version of the popular free stock photo site. On the app, you can use keywords to find certain images that you can use with other design apps on your phone. While you are about to download it to your device, you even have the choices of image size. Other websites you can get free quality stock photos from include pexels.com, unsplash.com, freepic.com. Number 5 tool, not tool per se, but it's just a technique. It's called Instagram curation. You can share high quality images from other users' profiles, but make sure to credit them if they originally own them. This is a post from Gary V, which you can choose to reshare on your platform. One of the tools you can use to do this is the Regrand app. The Regrand app, you can check Regrand app and reshare this post on your profile. It automatically helps you to credit the original owner of the post. But if you don't want to go that route, another approach to Instagram curation is taking screenshots of posts that you like from other people's profile. So you find those quality images from other people's profile, you can just take a screenshot of this and then you go ahead to use your image crop tool. Use this tool to cut out other parts of the screenshot and repurpose it for your Instagram use. You can just adjust the area you're interested in with the pointers that you see on the screen and then use it in your Instagram post. Now, if you want to do this faster, you can actually choose the screenshot to post on Instagram directly while only repositioning it to the area you want posted. That is demonstrated with the image on the right. So there are a good number of design tools that you can use to create quality imageries. After downloading your stock photo, you may want to add text over it, arrange them in layouts, or make some adjustment to the photos. Now the following are awesome websites or apps that you can explore. Number 7 on this list is Canva. Canva is a website for designing, but it also has an iOS app available. Designer is another tool you can use to design your images. It has a website, it has iOS and Android apps also. Another interesting one is Typorama. Typorama is very good for creating text overlays with existing templates. It's only available on iOS. Another robust tool that I love is Over. Over app is only available on iOS devices. All the above mentioned can help you create stunning graphics. You should take some time out to explore them and then decide which one you love best. I personally love Designer on larger screens, but I'm not referring to desktop browsers anyways. Another great tool that you can use is Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark. This is a simpler version of the graphics creation suite from the giant software maker Adobe. Available in web version and as an app for iOS devices. One of the features I love about it is the existing templates which you can tweak both in terms of color themes and content. It provides you with color chromes that are quite harmonious. You can see that on the right extreme. There are also preset design dimensions based on what platforms you intend the design for. Filters also exist, like I mentioned in the Instagram session. You could use this as an external tool to create or add filters to your photos. The last but not the least on this list is Inshot. You can use this app to add context to your videos, making users immediately get a clue to what your video is about. Apart from its video editing functions, you can use this tool to resize the entire area of your video to fit Instagram in a perfect square. This is the ideal requirement for Instagram ads. You also have the opportunity to add captions above or below your videos. Sometimes you could choose to use both spaces above and below. Alright, those are tools that can help you get started right away.